Dubai chocolate made in Palawan and ang white Biscoff. Kyle, wait lang. Wait lang. Can you wait, please? Kyle, is that okay with you? Okay. Come here. Come here in front of the camera. Halika here. Okay, bite. Small bite lang ha. Laki-laki ng mouth mo. Small bite. Small bite. Is it yummy? Okay. Nabawasan na siya kanina, guys. Sorry.
Now,
Later. Later na. Okay. Dark chocolate. Dubai dark chocolate is really dark yung chocolate niya. But after that,
it's feeling me.
you can taste na yung leafy flavor, your like grassy flavor na. Dubai chocolate, the dark chocolate canafe. Next is Biscoff. 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 White Biscoff.
That is horrible. Why you?
Horrible. Bite. A little small bite lang ha. Small amount of chocolate lang. You're not gonna stick to it if you eat a lot of it. How is it, Kyle?
Yummy.
Okay, guys. Oh my god. This is the winner.
Yes, that is a winner.
This is more yummier than this. This one is like it's like you're eating a dirt, you know? This one you're eating you're having some heaven. Like you're in the clouds and you're eating a clouds with a caramel. God.